Hello student, today we are going to learn 6 joule is equal to dash ERG. Using of dimensional analysis concept we are going to do, okay. It is for class 11. So, we are going to learn how to find 6 joule is equal to dash ERG using of dimensional analysis concept. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, first I am differentiating with two units. One is the MKS system, which is follow as a SI unit. Another one is a CGS system, centimeter gram second. Okay, so N1, M1, L1, T1. Here N2, M2, L2, T2. It is going to be a kilogram, it is going to be meter, it is going to be second, because MKS system meter, kilogram, second. Here this M is representing as a gram, this M is representing as a centimeter, this T is representing as a second. Okay, now we are going to learn this two relation using of dimensional analysis concept. Okay, 6 joule is equal to dash ERG. First I am going to tell 1 joule is equal to dash ERG, then we have to multiple with 6, we will get 6 joule is equal to dash ERG. Okay, now just see here energy formula. Energy is equal to force into displacement. Energy unit will be joules, force unit will be Newton, displacement SI unit will be meter. So, Newton is kg meter second minus 2 into meter. So, meter will get as a meter square. This instead of Newton we can write like this. So, kg meter square second minus 2. Just I am changing this as a dimensional formula, m power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2. So, m power x, L power y, T power z. That means we found x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 2, just like a comparison only. Okay, I found this 3 value. Now I am going to find it. 6 joule is equal to dash ERG. So I am writing like this, N1, M1, L1, T1 is equal to N2, M2, L2, T2 with the power of x, y, z, with the power of x, y, z, x, y, z. I want to find relation between N1 and N2. So that is a relation we don't know. Okay. So relation between SI and CGS system. So see here N2 is equal to question mark. So I am going to find what is a ERG. So N2 is a question mark. Okay. So N1, M1 by M2, L1 by L2, T1 by T2. Very simple, cross multiplication I am doing. 2 I am bringing as a denominator. It is power of x, it is power of y, it is power of z. Okay. M1 is 1 kg mass. So N1 it is 1 kg divided by 1 gram, because it is follow in CGS system, it is follow in MKS system. L1 is follow 1 meter and L2 is follows as a 1 centimeter, and T1 is 1 second, T2 is 1 second. So x, y, z. 1 kg is a 1000 gram, 1 meter is a 100 centimeter. Just conversion only we are doing now. Okay, N2 is equal to N1 times of 1000 divided by 1 gram, because easily we can cancel the unit. We won't get any other unit. Okay, 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter with the power of y, 1 second get cancelled, which is going to be 1. Okay, centimeter get cancelled. Now it is a x, it is a y, it is a z. Okay, already we found x, y, z. X is 1, y is 2, z is minus 2. 1, it is 2, it is minus 2. Okay, so just I substituted the value. So N1, which is going to be 1000, it is 100 square, because of 100 square, 100 into 100. This value 1 power whatever will be 1 only. So this value will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 10 power 7. Okay. So N1 we know we are going to convert as a 6, that is called 6 into 10 power 7. Okay. So if in case 1 joule if we are converting, 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 plus 7 ERG. We are converting as a 6 joule, it is going to be 6 into 10 power 7 ERG. Very simple. Okay. So it is 6 into 10 power plus 7 ERG. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.